Oh, my Lord. Mango, mango, mango. My dish is inspired for my mother. She is very close to my heart and the best important person in my life. I was like 12 years old, and she used to cook for me lunch boxes when I was working in a canal, like a river side.
What were you doing down by the river?
I was working as a labourer.
Labourer?
Yeah, digging the canal and everything. So.
You were digging the canal at 12 years old?
Yes.
And your mum used to bring you lunch?
Yes.
Wow.
And we don't have a good life when I was a child. So I want to give good life to her. So that's very important for me.
In honor of the packed lunches his mother made him as a child, Santosh has served fried okra stuffed with ginger and fig, a mango and coconut chutney, and a potato, fenugreek and pomegranate salad, saffron rice wrapped in rice paper, with a crab curry sauce, and a puri bread with fried green chilies, with a carrot, chocolate and raspberry pudding in a white chocolate dome with raspberry puree and a pan leaf ice cream.
Wow, Santosh. What a presentation. The okra. You've completely turned me. I could not stand okra until I ate your food. It was beautiful, a little bit of crispiness through it. The next course, the curry. It's so small, but it's so flavoursome. The heart and soul in that, is something that I could never replicate. And just honoured to actually try it.
Your carrot, chocolate, raspberry dessert is very sweet, but the ice cream is fantastic. It's really creamy, and then it goes like sweet with honey. That is heavenly. Mate, you could sail away in a sea of that.
If your mum was here now, I think I'd give her a big hug. That is incredible. The story is about passion and love for someone special in your life. That we can see. And because of that feeling, you put it all into this incredible creation.
Thank you.
I think you've made your mum very proud.
Amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. I do have many people in my life, the important people, but mother is my best one. And if I have to dedicate it for anything, so it will be my mother.